You're joining me today in the barn. We're using this fantastic ESSE Ironheart to make some sweet treats. I am lucky enough to have one of these in the barn, and it's a fantastic piece of kit, not only to keep the barn and my guests warm, so they can also have an adventure with cooking using fire. These are apricot and amaretto bites. Basically a very simple recipe using ground almonds, caster sugar, some egg whites, a generous couple of measures of amaretto, which is an apricot kernel liqueur, which goes very well with the flavour of almonds. So literally we're just going to combine these ingredients to make a dough. You can make these any size you want. Bite size is a good size. They're not going to spread too much, so you can pop them quite close together. Half an apricot in the top of each of our little almond clusters. These are now ready to go into our oven, which I want on a medium-high heat for these for about 10 to 12 minutes. I think these should be done now. We'll just take a look. Yep, lovely. These make a perfect accompaniment for a cup of strong coffee at the end of your meal, or even with a piece of salty blue cheese, like a lovely English Stilton.